Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about LG. So I'm on phonewinning.com here. So if you guys are using an LG phone on T-Mobile or any T-Mobile brand, you guys might have been experiencing this issue. So y'all guys should check out this article, which will be linked down below. So it says here some LG phones are essentially bricked by a T-Mobile bug. So there's some type of bug that's going around on T-Mobile phones. If you have an LG T-Mobile phone, you guys may have experienced this bug here. And yeah, let's go ahead and check this out. This is kind of interesting. It sucks, but yeah, if you guys have had this bug on your LG phone, let me know down below, because I'd like to know. So yeah, it says here, you probably already know that LG is no longer in the smartphone business. Obviously, if you didn't know that, something's wrong with your ass. So if you guys don't know, LG does not make smartphones anymore, but LG is still around. They still make appliances, TVs and shit like that. They just don't make phones anymore. Year after year, the company had its lunch eaten by country-made Samsung. The good news for those with certain LG handsets is that some of them are still getting major updates, like the LG Velvet, for an example, the LG Wing and stuff like that. It says here, for an example, last week we told you that the LG Wing received an update allowing it to connect to Verizon's C-band 5G network. So LG phones are still getting updated if you have like the latest LG phone, which was, I think, the LG Wing. If you have the LG Wing, you guys have gotten an update on Verizon to allow it to connect to Verizon's C-band 5G network. So that's pretty cool. I'm still using the LG phone myself. I'm still using the LG V20, and I'm still on Android Oreo. I also have been able to get Android Pie here in the States, but we never got it. The V20 in Korea got Pie and nowhere else did. So I'm going to show you guys the bug that LG phones are experiencing on T-Mobile. It says here, LG phones not working on T-Mobile. The frequencies that make up the C-band, 3.7 GHz to 4.2 GHz, are in the mid-band, which makes it easier to find such 5G signals that the faster millimeter wave signals just don't travel as far as mid-band signals do, including the Wing. 3 LG phones will be getting updated to Android 12 during the current quarter, including the mid-range LG Q52, LG Velvet, and the aforementioned LG Wing. Those LG phones that are mentioned will get Android 12. So if you guys are still rocking those phones, you guys are getting updates on it. So pretty nice. And this is the bug that T-Mobile customers are experiencing with the LG phone here. Basically, it will say, unfortunately, LG IMS has stopped, and it basically just bricks your phone. So if you guys have gotten that notification on your LG phone on T-Mobile, I think Boost Mobile customers have gotten it, because I've seen it on Reddit. I will put links to the T-Mobile Reddit page, Boost Mobile Reddit page, and if Metro has a Reddit page, I will put a link to that as well. So yeah, so I've seen some posts on Reddit about it, so that sucks that people are experiencing this issue, especially on LG phones, but it is what it is. What phone is this? The LG G6? That's because that's what it kind of looks like there, the LG G6. Because I can tell by the wallpaper back there, it's the LG G6 wallpaper. So interesting. It says, according to the T-Mobile report on Reddit, LG smartphone owners who are T-Mobile customers have been experiencing a problem of major proportions. Some are receiving an error message that says, quote, LG IMS has stopped, over and over and over and over and over again. leaving the device unusable, leaving the device unable to function correctly. So, people T-Mobile customers that have LG phones, they're getting this error message that keeps popping up on their phone. It keeps popping up, which is annoying as fuck. And it's doing that, and it's keep popping up, and it's making the phone unusable. So that sucks. So the T-Mobile report says that a trusted source has told them that the issue has been fixed, and that users simply need to reboot the phone to apply it, end quote. To understand what was happening to those affected, the unfortunate LG IMS has stopped message repeats constantly, popping up every second without giving users enough time to open an app. In case you're wondering, IMS, if you guys don't know what IMS stands for, it's basically IP Multimedia Invoice Service. Is a standard protocol system that allows voice calls to be made while also handling data on modern digital systems. It's how voice calls and text can be sent or received over 4G and 5G networks. It seems that there has been a problem with IMS and LG handsets. I think I've gotten that issue. I think I've gotten that message on my LG V20 on Verizon. I think I've gotten that once on my phone. I think I've gotten it before. I think I have, but I only got it like once. So yeah. Says an update on the LG network might have been handled incorrectly. Regardless of what caused this to occur, the bottom line is that these LG phones cannot make or take calls and won't work like they used to be able to. A Reddit user mentioned a workaround that might be moot at this point if the bug has been exterminated. Also, if LG of T-Mobile hasn't fixed the issue, you can try the workaround. I'm gonna show you guys that right here, and I'll have directions in the description box, and also there'll be a link to this article as well, and also Reddit links to T-Mobile, Boost Mobile, and I think Metro has a Reddit page as well, and I also try to find an LG Reddit page. So yeah, check the description box for all the links that you guys will need. It's highly encouraged that you guys check the links down below in this video, because it will have everything that you guys need. So check those links out. It says, just in case the bug is still around, set your phone on airplane mode to prevent the message from repeating over and over again, which is a pain in the ass in itself. Go to settings, apps and notifications, app info, 3-dot on upper right corner, show system, and then you guys are gonna see this right here. I'm gonna have it highlighted. Oops. Let me highlight. Y'all guys are gonna want to look for this. com.lge.ims.rcsprovider. Look for that. And then what you guys want to do is go to storage, next, and quick succession. Follow this direction. Clear cache, clear data, press back, force quit for 5 to 8 times until you see that the force quit says grayed out. Now stop. So you guys must follow these instructions very carefully. I will have the directions in the description box. They're also here on the article as well. So follow these instructions very carefully. And then it says no. It says here, no. It's okay if error messages keep popping up. Ignore it and keep following the directions, as it may take 5 or 8 times before this works. The tipster says that this workaround has worked for 3 different LG phones in his household, so the odds favor that this will work for you too, depending on what LG phone that you guys have. If the method above does not work for you, or it's too complex, remove the SIM card from your LG phone, or keep airplane mode activated while you will lose calls, texts, and mobile network connectivity. It also will put an end to the error messages, allowing you to use the handset on Wi-Fi by any time until a permanent update can be released. Hopefully there is one. But wait, we got more here. And there is a tip that we are sure you'll be happy to hear about. If your LG phone cannot stop showing you the unfortunate LG IMS has stopped message, do not factory reset your device. Get that? Let's say it one more time for the West Coast. If you suffer from this bug, do not wipe your device. Not only won't it do anything to help rid yourself of the problem, it will force you to set up your device again. Obviously, that's what a factory reset does. It will make you set up your phone again. So if you do have this bug, guys, don't ever factory reset your phone. Do not factory reset. Follow the steps above. And hopefully that the above steps will help your issue. Hopefully. It says, do keep in mind that LG and T-Mobile might have already fixed this bug, so if it isn't preventing you from using your phone, don't worry about the workaround. So yeah, that sucks, man. Like, some LG phones on T-Mobile are experiencing this bug. It's not only just T-Mobile LG phones, it's Boost Mobile. I think Metro phones are possibly suffering from this as well. Like I said, I think I've had this done on my phone one time. I think I had that message popped up on my phone one time. But I have a Verizon LG V20. That phone's almost 6 years old at this point. So yeah, if you guys are experiencing this bug, it sucks, as I know how you feel. When I first got the LG V20, I had issues upon issues with that phone. Then I had to get it replaced. So hopefully LG might replace it. Maybe not. Hopefully there's an update. Hopefully there's an update that does come out to fix this issue if it hasn't been released already. I would like to know, if you guys have had this issue, what LG phone do you guys have, what carrier do you guys have, and what workarounds did you do to stop the bug from ignoring you? Because I know that pop-up messages are a pain in the ass. They suck. I know how you guys feel. Like I said, when I first got the LG V20, I had issues with it when I first got it. I had issues with the updates on it, forced close messages, just random pop-ups and shit. So yeah, I eventually had to get my LG V20 replaced in 2017. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can get replacement phones from LG. You could try. It does not hurt to try, but don't expect a whole lot. If you guys have LG phone on T-Mobile, Boost, or Metro, let me know if you guys are having this issue. Let me know what carrier that you guys have. Let me know what phone you guys have. And yeah, hopefully LG and T-Mobile will fix this issue, and hopefully that customers don't have to worry about this bug again, because it's annoying. It's also a pain in the ass, and it makes it to the point where you can't use your phone at all, which sucks, because with people, people has to use their phones and shit to make calls and shit like that. So people need their phones to make calls and do other things on their phone. But this bug is preventing them from doing that, and it's a pain in the ass. So let me know if you guys have ever had this issue. Let me know what LG phone that you guys are having this issue on. Let me know what carrier that you guys have, and yeah, hopefully this issue will be resolved, and hopefully it'll never happen again. But I guess we just have to wait and see about that. So yeah, so that's pretty much for this video, guys. So if you guys did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It would really help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.